So these are the three things which I bought to do vlogging, and these are the basic things, So this is how it looks like. Grip is good. You can stretch it. If you think that you have
Yes guys, so how you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. This video is very interesting because when I bought, when I was being confused that what should I buy for my vlogging kit, almost for 1 week, okay, I researched what tripod should be good, what hand tripod should be good, what holder should be good, what mic should be good, because as long as you're doing indoor shooting, okay, you can manage with anything, okay, but when you go out, okay, when you go for public blogging, when you do blogging out, then you have to think of all these things that means things should be strong, and people won't look at you much, that you're not managing too much. In this video I'm going to be showing you what I bought for my blogging in a CSN, okay, because so far I haven't started any blogging, okay, I haven't blogged ever, okay. Making video indoor is so different, and making video out in public, that's completely up and down. Like, look, right now there is nobody, okay, so I can do anything, okay, means even I can hang my phone on a rack of rice or bag. All I'm saying, when we go out for blogging, we have to look professional, it's all about being confident. And if you know that you are not prepared with gears, so you won't feel that confident, isn't it? So in this video I'm going to be telling you the thing I bought to start my blogging career. First, second, how it's look like, the durability, the strongness, all the things. So just watch this video, and if ever you are being confused or thinking that you will start blogging, then trust me, because I decided to blog with phone, okay. When I will see in future, then I'll buy a camera, but so far I've decided I'll continue with this phone. So to do blogging with phone, the gear you need and everything, all confusion will be solved. So just continue watching this video. So the first thing I bought is this tripod. As you can see, this hammer tripod. This, and the mic I bought, which is wireless Boya WM4 Pro. So this is the mic I bought. And even though we get a phone holder with this hammer one, but that I didn't like it, so I bought this original Ulanji. As you can see, this is very costly, but when you will touch this, when you will hold this, then you can see. And sorry, I thrown the box of it, so I don't have the box of it. As per Indian currency, I bought this, only this, I bought this in 1000 rupees. But trust me, this can last almost minimum 10 year, 15 year. And by the way, there is nothing which can be broken, which can be destroyed. It's so strong, so thick, when you touch the original product, you know it, right, that that's original. So these are the three things which I bought to do blogging, and these are the basic thing, these are the basic thing. It's not really a it is a fancy thing, okay. You can have in the starting, you can have cheap product, but I'm thinking that when you're starting in this, first you will waste money, then you will buy costly product. It doesn't make any sense, okay. So if you want to see what's inside, so just let me show you. And the best thing about this tripod is bendable, even this, it's so movable. And even though this quality is so good, this rubber, this gives you good grip on this tripod. It's not that you wanna, you might drop it. So for that, there is a really good grip that you can really hold it for long. So it's really good. And this ball, you can remove it, but I don't think so that you should be removing this. So and then this, attach this here. And the reason I bought this phone holder, because this gives you this mount space where you can fit this receiver. As you can see, the receiver will have that mount. Let me show you. Let me show you that how this is the best you will ever get, because if you buy a wireless mic or something like that, so you need this mount space and you will not get this. This is the cute sexy bag which you get inside this wireless mic. So this is the receiver which stays with this phone holder, and transmitter which I'm wearing right now. So that's in my wrist. So this mount goes like this. So this phone holder is especially designed for thing like this. I'm fixing this receiver. You can fix your LED light for blogging, anything. So this is how it look like. So strong to carry, and it looks so professional. Let me show you how you will look like when you will do blogging with this. So let's go to mirror. Yeah. As you can see this. So this is how this look like. Grip is good, and you can stretch it. If you think that this length is being too long for you, then simply fold it and make it shorter as you want. And this is a receiver. As you can see this. See this. So this is the transmitter. So this goes here in your back, which makes this wireless mic. So this is how you will look. Completely professional gears. So that's all you needed. So I hope you liked it, and so that's how it looked like doing blogging with all the gears. All the things are so super strong. I'm so happy with these 3 things. I know it cost me a little bit extra, okay, then it should have, but this trust me, this, you cannot imagine why I'm keep on talking about this Ulanzi, because as you can see, this gives you a special mount. It seems like that this all gears comes together. Okay, all you have to do, buy this Ulanzi phone holder, this tripod, and this mic, wireless mic. So it's really good to start with. So I hope you liked it, and that's all.